Hey people, this is Randy from Jamaica. Good life. Now I'm there with a place in Mobay. You know, Mobay where we stay. And the light and streets never did that work. And the car need a reset, so I came to Robinson.
Yeah.
Talk to me. Tell us about yourself and the company. Move from the light. Come here.
My name is Dwayne. We do all electronics on cars, radio, backup camera, dash cam, kill switch, alarm, tracker, the whole works. You name it. You think about it, we make it happen. So you can always contact us at 561-8661 and we solve all your issues.
What's the difference between a kill switch and an alarm?
Kill switch is just a regular switch that cuts off ignition or whatever kill source you want. An alarm offers that feature as a kill switch, but it's a central locking. It has shock sensor, so if somebody tamper with it, it goes off and make noise. That has built-in kill switch, so once you lock it, it cannot start.
So let's say I'm off the airport and pick up my car. It's good to come to you guys in Montego Bay to just check if everything is okay.
Yes.
If you get an engine light, come to you.
Yeah, I can scan it, tell you exactly what's the problem, find the problem, solve it.
Give me an average American price. Don't give me a Jamaican price. So let's say a kill switch installation. And actually buying it.
Buying a kill switch?
Yeah.
That would be like $35.
US?
US.
And installing?
Yes, that's with install.
And you can buy it here?
Yes. And with the trackers, you can use a phone, monitor the car anywhere it is in the world, listen to what's going on inside it, shut it down with your phone.
Can you disable a kill switch?
Like,
so
no.
so nobody.
If they have time with your vehicle, yes, they can. But we do our work neat, so it's very difficult for people.
Got it. So that's a pretty good price. So the kill switch is doing some kind of GPS thing.
No, the kill switch is you would do it manually. You flip the switch and can't start.
Can't move.
Can't start.
Can someone steal my vaccine now with without the kill switch?
Yes, because they can hack the signal for the key.
From the key or just from the car?
The smart key.
From the smart key.
Yes, so they have a device where they walk around with your key and they try and
they walk around in the supermarket and they hack it.
Yes,
that's
and
what
memorize that and then
see me again and bing.
Yes, or they follow you to your vehicle or watch your vehicle and trick your car that is the key.
Really?
Yeah. So it's always best to put an alarm on a button start vehicle same way.
An alarm.
Yes.
Okay, so does the alarm comes with the kill switch also?
Yes, it's
and that what's the price for installation and the cost for the alarm?
Provide an install, we have alarm from 17,500.
17,000.
That would be like $130 US or so.
And do you copy keys like you can make
we don't do the key part.
Okay.
No, but we change the batteries for them, we check them out, we clean them up and service them same way.
So when you turn off the kill switch, it's an app on your phone. You just turn.
That would be the tracker.
The tracker.
Yeah, kill switch is a manual thing you use.
So then can just somebody go and manually?
No, because we hide the switch at various places. Even if you tell us where you want it,
okay, so I'm gonna have to really look for the thing.
Yes,
and if the thing lock, if it's not the engine somewhere, got it.
We just have to hide it at various places. So.
Multiple places? Do you do it at multiple or just one?
No, it can go multiple places. Anywhere you feel comfortable. We have even transponder kill switch. We use just like how these smart keys stay.
Yeah.
It comes with a little sensor. So if you go in the car and you don't have that sensor, the car cannot start. All of that.
Really? And they can't duplicate that?
No,
but that's
like an aftermarket thing where,
but that's not a $35 install. That's
that's like $140.
So better just to get the alarm system.
Yeah, alarm come with
all the things. So just get the alarm.
Yeah, and if you want to step it up, you just get the tracker with the alarm.
You step it up more, so no matter what.
Security can't be too much.
In Jamaica. So this is Robinson Electronics in Montego Bay. About what, 10 minutes from the airport?
Yes.
Across from near to the market, Charles Garden Market.
Yeah, Lower Bevan Avenue.
If they were to Google a place, they could just Google Robinson Electronics.
And
it's a pleasure. What's your name?
Dwayne.
Dwayne is respect. So now Mac will get me I'm gonna set down the thing. So that's why
Yeah.
most of them taxi money have them double up, triple up.
Yes, taxis, rentals, personal vehicles. It's better to be on the safe side.
Got it.
Security can never be too much.
All right, my brother. So you are now our security official, Jamaica Good Life security, car security.
And we offer a whole lot of other services like AC filter. We have a style to make your car smell extra fresh.
Really?
Yeah, we do all LED lights. So if you want to change out all your roof lights to LED,
okay,
we do
okay.
all of that.
Okay.
If you want to put lights in your reflector down here, we do that. If you
Okay.
want to change your reverse light to white, we do that the same way. License plate light,
Got it.
all
got it,
accessories.
got
You
it,
just
got it.
name it, we do it. You know?
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Did you go to school for this?
No, but just learn hands-on. You know?
I like your
And
company.
we love cars. So at the end of the day, if there's something new, we learn about it instantly.
Yeah. But that one, I don't want to put it on you, the camera. We have film.
So,
So we don't want. Me will cut you out, all right? If you're in there, all right?
yeah.
So basically, wow,
Yeah, and we're looking to upgrade and add more.
things to your company.
Yes,
If you were to get an investor, what would you want the investor to help you guys with to expand?
Just more product,
More products?
more product.
Inventory?
Yes,
So you guys are young businessmen.
yes.
I love it.
Been in it for years. You know, we're just taking our time, gradually growing it. You know, every day. You know.
Yeah, all right. My brother, it's a pleasure. I'm gonna work with you guys. Nobody
Yeah.
non touch the vehicle, but oh no.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Jamaica Good Life official. So if them thief the car, I feel them fault. I'm just kidding. Talk to you later.